It's a changeable weather story over the coming days. This is your fleeting view from MWIS with a quick look at the week ahead. We've got a series of fronts moving in from the Atlantic as we start the new week. Rain already into the western side of Scotland early in the day, and gale force winds will be in existence across many of the mountains, those giving some very powerful gusts indeed towards some of the eastern slopes across the Highlands, increasingly around the Cheviots and the North Pennines as well. Now, lowering cloud, fog really to low levels upwards will fill in across many western regions already from early in the day across Scotland, increasingly so around the Lake District and Snowdonia too, as fronts just drift slowly southeastwards, with rain turning increasingly persistent as well. As we go overnight into Tuesday, the first batch of fronts just weakens for a time as pressure just tentatively builds, but it's still that same trailing conveyor belt of moisture that is around into Tuesday, so although rainfall totals may be generally small, we're still stuck with a rather damp atmosphere, so a lot of low cloud still likely around many western coasts, some patchy rain turning a bit more persistent, I think, as the day goes on, particularly in Scotland, very small amounts more toward the eastern side of the Highlands. The isobars squeeze together once again. There's that risk of winds strengthening with time towards gale force once more. Now that cold front, which brings the rain continuing into Tuesday night, will sink southeastwards as we go through the early hours of Wednesday, so a different story then from a mild air mass early in the week to a much cooler feel to things by the middle of the week. That cold front and its residual rain just clearing across Wales and the Pennines early in the day on Wednesday, and it's then a story of sunshine and showers with higher cloud bases as we go through Wednesday, most of the showers across the north and west of Scotland. Still a blustery day and a distinctly more chilly feel by this stage, with those temperatures having come down considerably from the start of the week. Then we get a brief bump of high pressure coming in from the west around Wednesday night into Thursday to give a better day, the best day of the week for many places, particularly across England and Wales, where the high stays in for much of the day. But already the next set of fronts is approaching to Scotland from the Atlantic, with strengthening winds and the risk of rain setting in again across the west and northwest Highlands. And we end the week more or less as we started, with strong to gale force southwesterly winds, some rain coming in from the Atlantic, most persistent across western hills in Scotland, the risk of spreading further south and eastwards late in the day, and it's most likely staying a mixed blustery westerly pattern as we head onwards to next weekend as well, so staying generally changeable. Stay up to date with our latest forecast though every single day on our website. That's been your fleeting view. Thanks for watching.